Hi guys, myself Amrita. Welcome back to our channel Technosage. So in today's video, we are going to discuss LeetCode problem number 268, that is missing numbers. So let's get started. Given an array nums containing n distinct numbers in the range 0, n, return the only number in the range that is missing from the array. So in the example, you can see we have been given one nums array. For example, it has numbers 3, 0, 1. So which number is missing? 2 is missing, right? 0, 1, 2, 3. So we have to find that particular missing number in the array. So in the other example, for example, it has numbers, right? It has 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 9. So 8 is missing. So the output should be 8. We have to basically find the missing number from the array. So now let's understand how we are going to solve this problem. So let's take one sample array. For example, it has numbers 0, 2, 3, 7, 5, 4 and 6. So which number is missing in this case? 1 is missing, right? So we have to find that missing number. Let's understand how we can find a missing number. For example, if I sum up all these elements, what would be the sum? 0 plus 2 plus 3 plus 7 plus 5 plus 4 plus 6. So it would be 27. And if I sum up the numbers which should be there. For example, 1 is missing. So it should be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So it would come as 28, right? So now this is the sum of number present in the array and this is the actual sum what should be there, right? So if I have to find the missing number, what would it be? It would be your actual sum minus the sum of number present in the array. So this is how we can find the missing number, right? So it would be 28 minus 27, which is equal to 1. But now the problem is that if you have to sum all these elements, you can just run a for loop and you can sum up all these elements and you will find the sum. But how you will find the actual sum? So if we have to find the sum of the continuous numbers, what is the formula which we have studied in our schools? That is n into n plus 1 by 2. So in this case, n would be 7 into 7 plus 1, that is 8 by 2, which would be 56 by 2, which is equal to 28. So this is how we'll find the actual sum and then we can find our missing number. Now let's write the solution for it. So this is our class missing number. Let's write a method that would be public static int, since it is going to return the integer value missing number and input would be nums array, right? Now let's initialize the sum as 0 and then we can find the sum of all the elements for int I is equals to 0, I less than nums dot length I plus plus. And what would be the sum? Sum is equal to sum plus nums of I. So this is how we can find the sum of all the elements present in the array and then we have to find the actual sum what should be there. So actual sum would be actual sum n into n plus 1 by 2 and n in this case would be nums dot length into nums dot length plus 1 divided by 2. So this is how we found our actual sum and now we have to find the missing number, int missing number, which would be equals to actual sum minus the sum of elements present in the array. And at the end, we can return our missing number. Now let's go to our main function. Let's take the nums array. Let's take the first example 3, 0, 1. So 2 is missing. Now let's write a print statement to check the output. Missing number nums. Let's run the program and see the output. So the output is 2. Let's take some other example. Let's take this example itself, which is given in the problem. So in this example, we can see that 8 is missing. So it should return 8. Let's run the program and see the output. So you can see here the output is 8. So this is how we need to solve this problem. If you have any questions, any doubts, please let me know in the comment section. Also provide your feedback and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.